Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your budgeting with GoodBudget, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open the GoodBudget app on your device. Create an account if you haven't already. Once logged in, tap on the Budge tab at the bottom of the screen. Next, select Create a new envelope to organize your expenses. Name the envelope based on the category, such as groceries or utilities. Set a budget amount for this envelope. Tap Save to confirm your new envelope. Now, head back to the Budge tab to view your envelopes. To add a transaction, tap on the envelope you just created. Select Add Transaction. Enter the amount spent and choose the right category. You can also add a note for future reference. Tap Save to record the transaction. Repeat this process for each envelope to track all expenses. To review your overall budget, navigate to the Reports tab. This will provide you with a visual overview of your spending. Adjust your envelopes as needed to stay within budget. Remember to update your transactions regularly for accuracy. With consistent use, GoodBudget will help you manage your finances effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.